I'm supposed to be doing right now.
Hey, that's an OwlCrate Jr. We need to be opening it right now.
Oh, that's what we were supposed to.
Hello, welcome to Cracker Toys and Games, and today we're opening OwlCrate Jr. Now, open it now.
See what's inside. Okay, let's see.
Looks like
We have a cool OwlCrate hat that has some owls on it.
Of course. And a little box.
What is it?
Let's see what's inside.
It's a Rising Phoenix cookie stamp
Oh,
inside of this thing.
nice. Sure. I wonder
Open it.
what's inside of this.
So, let's see. Huh?
I'm gonna open this too.
So, this is a stamp. The stamp has a phoenix on it, of course. And obviously you can probably stamp it on things. Okay. Oh, okay.
What is this?
We have the book now. Not the book. It's flying. Wait. Let's see. Oh, there it is, finally. The pamphlet.
Cool.
Winged beasts. We couldn't have a winged beast theme without OwlCrate's very
This
own
looks pretty
winged
cool.
mascot. Oswald the owl. Cool. Okay, let's see. We have a 2021 reading planner. What is that? Where is it?
Well, this looks like
Oh.
the book. I'm pretty sure
Here's
this
the
looks-
reading planner.
And here's
And
the
here's
book.
the back of it.
Here's the back of the book. You can pause the video to see the back and front of
Next.
both of those.
We have Flying Creatures Paper Airplane book. Oh, it's right here. It looks like you can make flying airplanes better with this book.
I wonder.
The metal tassel bookmark. Show it to the camera.
This looks really cool. That looks like some kind of horse with a really cool looking face. I don't know what that type of face is, but it does look cool. It looks like a skull, or I don't know.
So, the books should have a. The book comes. The book has a note about the author and a sticker. Open the book.
Sure. Oh, I don't think it's open.
Let's see here. Stamps like this were used a long time ago for letters and stuff. People stamped them on to like letters, and then sent them.
That looks really cool.
And they couldn't really have. I'm pretty sure they couldn't send it without a stamp.
Sure. Yeah.
Here's the sticker. Looks like a moth or a butterfly.
Yep.
And then we have a note from the author. Okay. Let's see here. Let's read the back. Okay. It's time for a magical new world. Mogan, looked at the sign. It said, "No trespassing." She didn't know what trespassing was, but it sounded like fun.
Well, this seems like a really cool book.
Yep, I really want to read the rest of it.
So, why don't you get it as well and read the book
All
for
these
yourself?
things are really cool. Some things you might not use, like I don't really know what I'll use this stamp for.
Maybe I'll use it for papers.
And it isn't really winter anymore, so that winter hat won't be useful for a while. But overall, everything's really nice. We got this monthly reading planner where we can write some stuff in it. Let's see the back. It says
Let's see
fairy
if this
tales.
fits.
It says fairy tales
It
are
fits
more than
perfectly.
true.
Whoa.
Not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us that dragons can be beaten. Neil Gaiman. You can write who it belongs to in here. And then there's other stuff in there like this. Oh, and then search words and other stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff that you can do in here, which is really nice. This is probably months worth of fun right here in this thing. And then let's see, the Flying Creatures paper airplane book.
Sounds cool.
So it looks like it shows you how the paper airplanes work
That
and how
makes
to
sense.
make some of them.
Well, it doesn't make sense that.
It looks like it gives you some to make as well.
Sure. It's
Well,
good
inside
that
of
it
here
does.
that you can take out.
It's good it does.
Oh, and it looks like there's multiple of each kind. And there's some
Man.
really cool designs in this.
Man, I never made a plane. I can't say it. Whatever. I never.
Paper planes.
Paper planes.
There must be hundreds of them in here.
It's good.
Flight log, where
just
you
go
can
like-
write down what happened, and it looks like that's all the designs right there that you can make.
It's good we have this, so we can just go like.
The different types of flying airplanes seem to be a Saran and other things. But let's see here. Yep, it tells you how to make some of them. And that's good.
Yep.
That seems to be everything.
So.
There is a thing in here that the author wrote of the book. Looks like there's another word search in there. And what's this? What was in here? Oh, never mind. That was this. And then we have, of course, this. Can be used in the book. It's really nice.
It does look really nice.
Some sparkles on it.
And remember, you can always put red paint on this and then go like on paper.
Or black.
Yeah.
Any color, really.
Yeah. There we go. Oh. So, make sure to subscribe, like, share. See you next time. Bye!